Budgeting is defined as planning how to spend money before it is actually spent. Budgeting acts as a roadmap for finances, guiding resource allocation. Zero-based budgeting assigns a purpose to every dollar. The envelope system uses physical envelopes for different spending categories. The 50, 30, 20 rule allocates income to needs, wants, and savings. Different budgeting methods provide various approaches to financial planning and control. Budgeting helps avoid debt by ensuring expenses do not exceed income. Effective budgeting prepares for emergencies by building a financial cushion. Budgeting reduces financial stress by providing clarity and control over finances. Strategic allocation of funds facilitates the achievement of personal goals. Budgeting provides a framework for tracking income and managing expenses effectively. A well-structured budget allows for informed financial decisions and long-term financial stability. Budgeting is not restrictive and is beneficial for everyone, regardless of income level. The initial step in budgeting involves tracking all income sources and expenses for a month. Tracking income and expenses helps identify spending patterns. Budgeting tools include pen and paper, mobile apps, and spreadsheets. Start with a simple budgeting method and refine it over time. Accurately listing all sources of income is the first step in effective income tracking. Income sources include salary, freelance earnings, side hustle income, and passive income streams. Net income, the amount received after taxes and deductions, provides a true reflection of available funds. Using net income ensures accurate budgeting and financial planning. Tracking income involves distinguishing between gross and net earnings for precise financial management. Meticulous expense tracking over at least 1 month provides a clear understanding of spending habits. Budgeting apps, spreadsheets, or notebooks can be used to record every financial transaction. Categorizing expenses into fixed and variable costs allows for better financial analysis. Analyzing expense categories reveals where money is allocated. Expense tracking tools facilitate informed financial decisions. Essential expenses, or needs, include items such as rent, food, and utilities. Non-essential items, or wants, encompass entertainment and gadgets. Savings and debt repayment include emergency funds, retirement contributions, and credit card debt payments. Budgeting methods such as the 50, 30, 20 rule, zero-based budgeting, and the envelope system can aid in financial management. Reviewing a personal budget involves differentiating between wants and needs. Identifying wants allows for the discovery of areas where spending can be reduced. Consider if an item is truly necessary, or if the purchase can be delayed. Delaying purchases helps avoid impulse buying and unnecessary expenses. Smart grocery shopping involves creating a shopping list prior to entering the store to avoid impulse purchases. Shopping while hungry can lead to increased impulse buys, negatively impacting budget adherence. Comparing prices of similar products helps identify cost-effective options and maximize savings. Purchasing essential items in bulk can reduce the per-unit cost, but consider the risk of spoilage. Reducing utility costs involves turning off lights when leaving a room. Unplugging devices when not in use helps reduce energy consumption. Using energy-efficient appliances can lead to significant savings on energy bills. Switching to LED bulbs reduces energy consumption compared to traditional incandescent bulbs. Using a programmable thermostat allows for automated temperature adjustments, reducing energy waste. Financial goals include short-term objectives, such as building an emergency fund or paying off minor debt. Long-term financial aspirations involve major investments like buying a house or planning for retirement. Effective financial goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. SMART. Specific goals define exactly what needs to be accomplished, avoiding ambiguity. Measurable goals allow progress to be tracked using quantifiable metrics. SMART goals provide a clear roadmap for financial success. Automating savings involves setting up automatic transfers from a checking account to a savings account on each payday. Automating bill payments ensures timely payments and avoids late fees. Treating savings as a non-negotiable monthly expense helps prioritize financial goals. Automated savings systems build consistent savings habits. Automating finances simplifies money management and promotes financial security. An emergency fund should cover 3-6 months of essential expenses to provide a financial safety net. Maintaining a small buffer in a checking account can help manage unexpected expenses. Planning ahead and avoiding reliance on credit cards for emergencies is crucial for financial stability. Emergency funds act as a financial cushion, protecting against unforeseen financial shocks and promoting peace of mind.